Hi everyone, this is the Casio FX-260 Solar II. I've been asked about something like this, where you take 9 divided by 160 and you press equal, it gives you 0.05625. And you want to round to the tenths hundredths place. How do you do that? Well, you can do that and round it and then keep it truncated that way. To do that, if you look at behind the calculator, and it's going to be very hard to see on this screen here, it gives you the different modes. It says to fix mode 7. So to have a fix, truncated and fix it at a certain place, what you do is you got to press mode, then 7. And then you got to tell it how many places, and I think it's 2. You see that? Rewind it if you didn't see that. So 9 over 160. So let's do that again. 1 divided by, and look at that, it automatically gives you 2, 160 equals, well, that's not going to be good, is it? 0.01, because it's fixed at 2. So you got to be careful. Okay, so what is it that you need to do then? So you got to go shift, then 9, and that's regular. So that's what you're probably going to have to do. Let's do something like 8 over 170, right? 8 divided by 170. And that's going to give you 0.047058. And let's say you want to do it on the third number, right? Then you would say mode 7 and then 3. And as you can see, it did truncate it. And it also did the right rounding. And then you would press mode 9 to take it back, because what you saw before was it was truncating all the time, and then the answer was different than what you are expecting. Okay, so hopefully that helps you with the Casio FX-260 Solar II in terms of doing this type of calculation. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe. Please tell your friends, tell your schoolmates, and tell your teachers as well. Thank you for those that support the channel through the super thanks. I hope you have a great semester, and I'll see you later. Bye-bye.